Hey everyone, my name is Tolu, and today I'll be taking you on how to make use of the three software on the Edtek Interactive Board. Let's get right into it. So let's double click on it to launch it. And today specifically, I'll be teaching you on how to make use of the text tool. Now the text tool is meant to change your normal writing to a text. Now let's get right into it. So if you look down here, you see this icon. Now it's the sixth icon there, yeah? So you click on it. So once you click on it, I'll be taking you on mathematics. So let's go. So that's it. Now, when making use of this text tool, make sure you make your writing very clear and legible because it will pick whatever it depicts your writing to be. So whatever it understands it as, what it will give you the text of. Now, let's say you're writing, where are you going to? Make sure you write everything out at once. Do not space or break in between. Let me show you. This is it. Except you're writing a single word, I will repeat, please do not stop writing what you start writing. Like now, I'm doing where, then I stop, then I start you. Now, if you notice, it is no longer on the same line. So that's what happens whenever you are writing and you stop writing. It will no longer align on the same level once you start writing. Or once you break a writing. And before I stop, I would like for you to know that you cannot erase this using the normal eraser, this erase point. It will not work. So let me show you. So I've clicked on it, so I'm trying to, you see, it will not work. So if you're trying to erase something or delete something, click on it, this select erase, this is the second icon here, click on it, then go round, that's how it's delete. So if you plan on deleting anything, that's how you make use of it. So thank you, that will be all for today. Have a nice day.